Have you ever wondered if time travel is real? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the extraordinary world of time dilation. Just imagine if you could travel to the future without even leaving Earth. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. And we have Einstein's theory of relativity to thank for this fascinating phenomenon. So let us get ready to explore the mind-bending effects of time dilation and discover the secrets of the universe along the way. In the early 20th century, scientists had a pretty straightforward view of time. They believed that time was constant and that no matter where you were in the universe, time would be the same. However, Albert Einstein turned that around with his groundbreaking theory of special relativity. He proposed that time is actually relative and that it's intertwined with space. In fact, according to Einstein, time slows down when you move faster, and the closer you get to the speed of light, the slower time moves. But that's not all. There's even more to this mind-boggling concept. You see, gravity also plays a role in time dilation. In areas with stronger gravity, time slows down. Now you're probably wondering, how can we possibly prove this? Well, let me tell you about a couple of fascinating experiments that show time dilation in action. First, consider GPS satellites. These satellites orbit Earth at high speeds and at an altitude where gravity is weaker than on the surface. Because of time dilation, these factors cause clocks on the satellites to run slightly faster than clocks on Earth. In fact, if we didn't account for time dilation, GPS systems wouldn't work accurately. Now let's talk about muons. These are subatomic particles that are created in the upper atmosphere when cosmic rays collide with atoms. Muons are unstable and have a short lifespan. But here's the kicker. When muons are accelerated to high speeds in particle accelerators, they live much longer. That's right, time dilation makes them age slower. It's almost like they're time travelers from the future. And it gets even more intriguing. Astronauts on the International Space Station also experience time dilation, albeit a tiny amount. They're moving fast and also farther away from Earth's gravitational pull. As a result, time passes slightly slower for them compared to people on Earth. Now for the big question, can we use time dilation to travel to the future? Well, technically, time dilation is already happening to us. However, the effects are so small that we don't notice them in our everyday lives. To significantly accelerate time passing for us, we'd need to approach the speed of light, which is not currently feasible. But hey, who knows what the future might hold? Maybe one day we'll develop the technology to harness time dilation and visit our future selves.